Dear all, vulnerabilities identified in misconfigured Apache Airflow servers. A critical security vulnerability in misconfigured Apache Airflow servers has led to the exposure of sensitive login credentials for widely used platforms such as AWS, Slack, PayPal, and more. Researchers at Intesa uncovered thousands of affected instances spanning across industries like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and cybersecurity. The leaks pose serious risks, including data breaches, supply chain attacks, and violations of data protection regulations like GDPR. Unencrypted variables and connections were a major issue, with sensitive information such as Slack tokens and API keys stored in plaintext within Airflow's variables feature. Another serious flaw was related to logging vulnerabilities, CVE 2020175111, in versions prior to 1.10.13, where CLI inputted credentials were logged in plaintext. This allowed attackers to harvest sensitive information such as a SQL lakehouse password without needing direct access to the database. Furthermore, exposed configuration files were discovered in instances where the expose_config equals true setting was enabled in the airflow.cfg file. This misconfiguration allowed attackers to access sensitive information such as Fernet keys and database credentials. Mitigation strategies. Update to Airflow 2.0 plus adopt secure coding practices. Audit configuration files.